DEFED, your first Web 3.0 super account made so easy with just fingertips. Here you'll be able to utilize your assets like never before, whether it's deposit to earn, borrow with credit, or transfer with a super fast speed. Simply go to defeed.finance to learn more about the protocol. To interact with DEFED, first you need to click on Launch App, and then you need to connect your wallet. If you're linking to DEFED for the first time, DEFED will automatically open an account for you. If you don't have any Ethereum wallet before, you can check another video which will explain how to register an Ethereum wallet. If you already have Ethereum wallet, you can choose the Web3 wallet you're already using and confirm connection at the pop-up window. Now you have to finish the connection and you can proceed to the next step of the interaction.